Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TeslaFi for advanced telematics and energy stats, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for TeslaFi. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check to ensure both entries are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your credentials. If the information is correct, you will be logged into your TeslaFi dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Explore the various features available for advanced telematics and energy statistics. To view your vehicle data, navigate to the left sidebar. Select the category that interests you, such as energy stats or telematics. For detailed insights, ensure your vehicle is refresh the page if necessary to update the data. Now you can start analyzing your vehicle's energy consumption and performance metrics. Feel free to explore additional settings and options within the dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.